Hi friends, I am Tilak and you are watching Tech Made Me Unique.
Hi friends, in this video we just going to show about some of the option about the viewing experience on Google Docs. So there are some of the view options. So for an example, I just open a sample project here. So you just click on the view option here. So if you don't want this ruler, you just untick the show ruler option here. So the ruler will be gone. If you want again, just click on this, it will come. And the extra options are show the equation toolbar. So this is easy to make to insert a equation, new equation like this. You can insert from here easily. So this is another option, and go to the view option here. Then now you can see a show non-printing characters. So there is also a keyboard shortcut here. You can also use that. And here also another option called full screen. So you can work in your project or document in full screen. And if you want to escape, go to the option tool, you just need to click on the escape key on your keyboard. There will be a normal mode for it. Just go to the full screen, or you can click on the escape key to make it to normal mode. And the extra options are go to the mode, you can change to editing, suggestion and viewing option. So these are the viewing options on the Google Docs, and these are basic option, basic tools. And if you want more videos about Google Docs, just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.